di kodidi 200 million cedis na da kan mu say udi kwa kodidi u kodidi ya omutuo special udi kwa kodi omutuo special no ayo ho say true asem ni ho and I've done my investigation me say Reverend Boatin say Reverend ye ka kire wo sa krife nyame som no fa ho kwadi mu bi truth be told Ghana for astofo no mo ka ho bi na no ma papa Ghana for dodo na edi nsehunu wo Ghana Reverend Boatin me ka kire wo pay say sa asem we wan fa nkokot na wo jane sa de a Okudzeto kura ba out because I know boy yanyini. I'm telling you. So we say asem Okudzeto kan oboa enye no kura fa ne court. Eye only court. Ene betimi edi wa asema ma. Sa krifenya mesom no Bible ba bia nu e kire se wo de wo te wa na unu abebo wasum no wo hwe wasum enu twa ntroto so a yedin ba bia nkire sa. Enu nti na sabi wa ma yen so adwen ni nyansa aye bie court no say asema ye kan beti ho osofo te ho sa asem we Mrs. One fan kokota me am campaign say sa na wote nti asem no fa ko na wa ya che won say ne Sammy Gyamfi wa temu down wa ba fom NAPO ha na ni kire ne kakra bi say Sammy Gyamfi has come down wo kasa wo dwen hu mienu because your friend was himfie now your bema mpanyfo si bisa wano ne bisa obema wano ka asem bone na obema nko wura tokuro bone bia mu ayekobo wabaso enti Northtown, is that what you voted for, that will be mram between tantro yen Okudzeto abrakwa the people of Northtown, let me start from you. Is that what you voted for Okudzeto to come and do? You see, he does not represent himself at the parliament. He represents the constituents of Northtown. You are making us believe, say, so therefore, we are okay with it. And the Northtown for mo pesa mo kire se mo de ntro nabraba sam asem a eni ho mutimi kotwa beto na mo sa na mo tie hence Okudzeto abrakwa na ye better in it nti mo vote man. Is that what you want to tell us? Then somebody from Northtown should come and tell us, say, this is not what we sent the guy there to do. Oh, Okudzeto abrakwa Ghana unya adwuma da. You see such bad people no there. We can tell them our mind. Okudzeto abrakwa wunua ba ye nim no ne pam wa nkura na wote se ye pam school fees obeye me ayi pe minister deputy minister pe ene unua ba na America muso si mo ara mo kasa bi nsika nim ene Okudzeto abrakwa mo me bisa sa guy ni se edan na wasisi won Northtown ene cars na o oni no do they match ne income? What me tam 200 million sekwesiada me na me Okudzeto abrakwa deputy minister mingwase embramo masa 2024 Northtown people constituent of Northtown mo to abana munhwe mutin na mo so monwina echiri ma ho na pacho wasem no yenti ase o mpanyida da look mpanyifo se aboa wuram aboa wa hunu ho so hwe na obefie piefie wia ema eyi omumbom ntuma ebo omumu edi jamo enti ko twa mansa kora wa hu so hwe no antena wuram amfa hu odasani wuram na obefie a ema yi omuntuma di jamo enti omampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama we expect say as wabeye national asset no and can speech no ebeye national development enkoye for NDC yifo a omo de esebi omo pe akaka bensa matie no omo ho nko a na wo ye den obedwen nanka wo ka asem we no what we expected to hear from you some medical catch us say that man who speaks to you and advises you, former president John Dramani Mahama eboto of ukona sa papa na da bia no okita flask ennom ensuo kroje bia yenimu nsusu ban no eboto of ukona by that time don't listen to that man. Sa flask na ekita papa bi na ebo 12 kwa na obi 2 no. Ebo 12 kwa ubenya, don't listen to that man because by then na sa flask no the wom na it is believed to be adefufuro bi a yenim no na abane ni so. Enti ama wo kasa na ne kasa no ensisi so. Enti me de obenya nkatwe hu fi sa papa no ho. So that we be kasa no be on point na fi yahu the opese ochire. Now say NDC for my PM say 2024 election is going to be about future things. You are deceiving yourselves. The 2024 election is going to be based on past achievement. You be based on past achievement. And your past tense in the economy and your future tense. And then your present with the present tense, but my father say 80%, believe you me, is going to be past tense. I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, I intend to do this. And yet I will do this because in Penifo say, Sebi, a janine to us when they come at once. I'm for the children to us. And the time man can go back as win former president. Now can say career now they are so to say. During NDC's time, from 2008 to 2016, we built 120 hospitals. 8 years. And the MPPs who 8 years. No more fancy 120 hospitals, no more intimia. Then you got the moral right. You got the infantry to come and criticize. Say 111 ye. In any case, yes, a PO manifesto, the Nanado MPP, almost promising. But say, me catch you say, I come in fear 90 minutes. Answer fear 9 no be kwa no. Me sure boss say, tio. Me sure boss say, me si dine e the amount. Dine no ma sha si weni twia. Da me share dine no me sha se me si no ene ye kan say wo sha se dine no kro wo sha se mfi me nsan wo nwie. Enye da me share wo no. Because you and I know why a president is that. That is why you know Kasa from this angle say. Bosha amanyofo nyina no mudiso. In fact, the flashing ones, you know, about 70 to 80% omuntimi so. They just say that to convince people and to gather votes. Until a fifi kwete. Ebeka kire 2000 say 2008 said, Omampani Kufo, Omampani that John Ajikum Kufo, His Excellency, Elvia Ghana, gold in gold reserve in Wafa. And so on, what can I say? Can't say, what can some way we not so anything was a political talk. This is what the NDC believes in. And in fact, the former president, Emayeti, said, yeah, was short memory, and he still thinks. Say Ghanaians still have short memory, but Nana Akufo-Addo adodankwa ado show boy adaroma ene wo bie kwana to say obi anko school. Now they who short memory go and prolong it. And for your information, former President John Dramani Mahama, we no longer have short memories. In fact, very deep and long one have we now because free SHS came for all. That is why you and the NDC decided to sabotage the application of free SHS.